I am Ayush Mishra, and in this video I am going to explain you the poem The Dust of Snow. This poem is written by Robert Frost. Robert Frost was an American poet. He wrote many poems which gives us the lesson of life. His style inspired many other poets too. He was well known for Fire and Ice, Mending Wall, Out, etc. His poems has connections with the real life situations which taught us very important lessons. So this poem has two stanzas. In this poem, Robert Frost describes an incident of his life. Let us read the first stanza. The way a crow shook down on me the dust of snow from a hemlock tree. This stanza is very small as it contains only 4 lines. Let us see the glossary of this stanza. Shook. Shook means shake. Here you can see that shook word is used. Hemlock tree. Hemlock tree is a poisonous tree which is usually found in America. This indicates sadness and negativity, or you can say that it is a symbol of ill omen. See, hemlock tree is used here. Now let us see the explanation of this stanza. A crow shakes a hemlock tree which was covered with snow. This refers that this was an incident in winter season as the tree was covered with snow. And just then snowflakes fell on the poet. So the crow shakes the hemlock tree which was covered with snow, and then the snow flakes fell on the poet. This is the second stanza. Let us read it. Has given my heart a change of mood and saved some part of a day I had drew. In this stanza, poet says that this small incident which took place recently gives him a change in his mood and saved the day which he was wasting. Let us see the glossary. Here, only one word is difficult, you can say, which is ruined, and its meaning is held in regret or wasted. You can see here it is being used. Of a day I had rued, which means the day which has been wasted. Let us see the explanation of this stanza. This small incident changed the depressing mood of the poet, and he decided not to waste the remaining part of the day. As you can see that this line indicates it, that he has taken a decision not to waste the remaining part of the day. Now, let's come to the conclusion of the poem, that what the poem wanted to give the message to the society. The conclusion is sometimes small things can bring big changes in our lives. This is the meaning of this poem. You can see that incident was so small that the crow shakes a hemlock tree and the snowflakes fell on the poet. It can be just ignorable, but this small incident changed the mood of the poet. So, this can be small things can bring big changes. We should never forget them. Alliteration. Now, let us see the poetic devices. First is alliteration. Alliteration is being used 3 times. First, dust of snow. You can see S sound is repeated. I have written here S, which means S sound. Dust of snow. S sound is being repeated. Has given my heart. Now you can see here and here her sound is being repeated. And saved some part. Now again S sound is being repeated. Second one is enjambment. This means that a line is continuous with the next line. You can see in both the stanzas it is being in same line. It is in continuation in the stanza also, you can see. So it has been used throughout the poem. Now what is the rhyme scheme of the poem? Rhyme scheme is AB, AB. You can see that firstly in stanza 1, the way a crow shook down on me the dust of snow from a hemlock tree. So crow and snow and me and tree are rhyming. So crow, so me, tree. A B A B. You can see. In stanza 2 also, hurt, part, mood, rude. Here also A B A B. Now let us see the irony in the poem. There is an irony in this poem. What is that? Crow is considered as a symbol of darkness and negativity. Yes, we all know that it symbolizes death actually. But here in this poem, he has made a good effect in Poet's Day. We know that poet was having a depressed mood, and this small incident which took place in his life changed his mood. So we can say that the crow, which is a negative thing for us, made a positive effect in his life. Now what does it conclude? It concludes that sometimes negativity can bring positivity in our life. Thanks for watching. This video was made by me.